Well, good afternoon. It is Friday, February 28th, 2024. Boy, this month's been moving fast. It's about 1:55 in the p.m. Friday. So, yay. Got a little more done in the floor over there. Didn't get it all done. Apparently, the closet, I forgot about it. Life happens. Did get over to the bank and get money put in. 450 went on my highest one. 50 went on the one that is actually due shortly. And I left the other 75 off in the account just because I want to have a little more cushion. Uh, I hate not having at least a little something in the way of cushion in my account. It never hurts to keep a few extra dollars in there because you never know when something's coming up. It is what it is. Might be a reason I keep bills around. Not the ones I owe, but the ones, well, yeah. Do realize that all the money in our pockets is debt? Think of this: the sentence on that paper that you pass around, it says, "This note is legal tender for all debt, both public and private." Well, what kind of notes do you have? A house note, car note, a boat note, a goat note, a float note. Yeah. So, what is a note? This debt is payable for all debt, both public and private. So, yeah, all bills. It is what it is. Anyway, I did put some money onto my credit card, knocked one down 450. That's good. I keep this up, I might actually be, completely out of debt by July. I'm hoping. Every little extra bit I get goes off into paying something. It's kind of like with this here. I could have put it on credit card, but I put it on the debit card instead. I didn't want to go in the hole. That's why I'm trying to get out of it. I know that it's a hole. Anyway, I also talked to a real estate agent. She's going to come by Thursday and get my house up on the market instead of just sign in the front yard. So, sign in the front yard's got to come back out. Not a lot of traffic on that other than the uh, for cash thieves trying to take it for a quarter or a half of what the actual value is instead of actually giving you something real. Anyway, I managed to get something else fixed. My Apple Watch disappeared from my account. I don't know what I did wrong on it. Apparently, I hit a button somewhere wrong, and it was no longer registered as part of my account and wouldn't let me log in. So I got that fixed. Had to put everything together and do all the fun stuff at once. Yeah, because I really felt like wasting an hour on Apple Watch. And I'm really kind of wondering why we don't just have the ones we wind up anymore. Don't get me wrong, this is more useful. It is, I admit that. But yeah, it does make you question. Anyway, I don't know about y'all, but I need sleep. It's that time of the day. I got to get up and do the three ring circus of the evil W tonight and earn the paycheck that I get. So, yay. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a blessed weekend. Your weekend is my Monday morning, or the start of your weekend is my Monday morning. This is my Sunday evening, late in the evening for me. Anyway, I did take in, get to eat good. Had me a chunk of pot roast that I did in the air fryer, along with a baked potato and a bit of carrots microwaved. Yeah. Wish I hadn't broke the handle on my air fryer. Oh well. I've had a couple good years out of it, and I'm okay with that. I'll get to the end and get rid of it, along with the microwave. Hell, I might just leave them for whoever gets here next. Let them decide. It is what it is. Gonna try to get in there and get the closet finished off and all the floor done, and vacuum out the window seals and such. A couple of cobwebs up in the corners. Didn't used to worry much about the spiders when I had the plants off in there, because, well, when there was moisture in there was always something in there that they wanted to get. Now that there's no moisture, there's no spiders either. Go figure. So now I've got spider webs that got to get down, corners. Get that all down and do a little cleaning on the walls, and then I can paint. Hopefully Sunday, I can prep it, and really all I got to prep is cover the door and two windows. Everything else can pretty much get hosed down. So yay! And that little bit of prep probably won't take long. I don't know. I really need to get into my garage and get my spray gun out, or paint machine out, whatever you want to call it. Probably should have done that today, but yeah. By the time I got done with the bank and got back here and a couple other things done and eaten, I was ready for the day down. Anyway, it is the weekend. May your weekend be blessed. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Come along for the ride if you wanna. Please hit the like, comment, and subscribe buttons, or not. Your choice. Everything is your choice. What you do with your life is your choice. Anyway, lots of friends, lots of food, lots of family, and more food. I'm William, Williams, Philippines. Fish out.